Hello students, let us solve one more problem from the thermodynamics chapter which is asked by my student. The question is 1 mole of steam is compressed reversibly to water. Okay, so that is steam is there student, and that is gaseous is there, and you are converting H2O liquid at boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. So T is equal to, they have given 100 degrees Celsius, that is 100 plus 273 equal to 373 Kelvin. Okay, the heat of vaporization of water at 100 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure, P is equal to 1 atm. Okay, and now is how much, that is 540 calorie. Okay, so they are saying heat of vaporization they have given. So heat of vaporization you can write, that is either you write Q, heat of vaporization. So that is heat, no, heat absorbed for vaporization, how much is there student? 540 calorie per gram, right? It is per gram is there student. So Q you calculate per mole. So it is 540, actually 540. So it is 540 per mole into what student? Molecular weight of water. Okay, molecular per mole means molecular weight of water. Okay, so molecular weight of water, how much student? 540 into molecular weight of water is 18. So that is how much is there student? It is coming 9720 calorie per mole, right? Dear student, you see that is the heat of vaporization is there. So heat here is getting evolved. Okay, so getting evolved means that is in the compression process. So it is the negative sign student. This is all is negative sign. Now they are asking, that is the 1 mole of steam is compressed reversibly to water boiling point, the heat of vaporization of water this much, calculate delta U and delta H. To calculate delta U and delta H, we need to calculate the work also. So suppose W, if you are calculating student, so W is equal to P delta V, external pressure to compress. So that is P is given, volume is not given. So that equation you can write equal to what? Minus delta NGRT. Okay, so at this place we can write W is equal to minus delta NGRT. So what we can write? Delta N. So that is number of gaseous product minus reactant. So that is 0 minus 1. So it will come 1. So here is the formula will be, that is minus 1 multiply by what student? That is R value in calories. We know that is R, that is in calorie, 2 calorie. So minus 1 into 2 into temperature 373. So it is coming how much student? Minus 746 calorie. Okay, this is the value of W. Okay, so if you want to calculate delta U, okay, so internal energy change is what? That is Q minus W from first law of thermodynamics. So Q minus W, Q per mole we have calculated here minus 9720, and W we have calculated minus of minus 746. So how much coming? 9720 minus into plus 746. So it is coming how much student? Minus, okay, 8974 calories, right, per mole. This is the U. Now one more problem they are asking. They are asking delta H also. So delta H, how to calculate? Enthalpy. Enthalpy means change in internal energy and pressure volume work. That is either you can say total heat change. So delta U plus P, P delta V, that we know. And P delta V already we have calculated in the term of the W. Here W means what? P delta V is equal to NGRT. So that is P delta V we are writing here. How much we have calculated? That is 746. You can see here the sign is there, negative sign is there. Let it be the negative. Here is positive. Delta U value. If you want to put out the delta U value student. So delta U value we have calculated here is minus. It is there minus 8974, right? अब dear student, if you check out this one, so that is the correct only. So minus of minus, okay, delta u plus p delta v, okay. So hmm, this is the work done by the system will be there, student. So work done by the system will be then it will be the positive only. So that is, it is coming how much? 746. It will be the positive 746. And if you solve out, okay, so you subtract this one, so it is coming, how much will come, student, if you check out. Positive, no, 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 no. This value is given, student, this is the negative, no. Here is we have calculated negative value, okay. So negative will be the negative only, so let it be the negative only. Do not change the sign here. If you are changing the sign, will be the problem. Here is the negative and negative, if you add out in the term of negative, it is coming 9720 calorie per mole. So this is the delta H value. You need to practice, student, 2-3 times, then you will be able to answer. And here is the delta U. Thank you so much for watching, friends.